This shows the process of repairing a Sanyo Denki stepper shaft. The following photos show how he began by center drilling and reaming to size. At this point, we are turning down the stubbed shaft to the rough dimensions. The next step in the process is knurling it, which places spline in shaft. It is straight knurling. This image shows the completed shaft. Then you will see the shaft getting pressed into the rotor. Now you can see the finished product of the shaft in the rotor. Next, we turn down to finished dimensions and set up for cutting the keyway. In this photo, you can see the finished parts, which will then be reassembled. Next, we remagnetize the unit in the dedicated housing. This is the finished product of our stepper motor repair. All of our repairs come with a 1-year warranty. Please reach out to us. We are a full-service repair facility and have thousands of motors in stock.